Current cleaning involves a lot of hazardous materials, a lot of labor, which cuts into your production. So have you ever paid for a hazardous waste cleanup? Let's just avoid it altogether. Let's use non-hazardous soap and water in a hands-free process with Pro Ultrasonics. Hi, I'm Danny Kentz with Pro Ultrasonics. We manufacture and distribute high-performance ultrasonic cleaning equipment. You're probably familiar with ultrasound because at the jewelry store or even in your dentist's office. Ultrasound uses a special frequency that creates microscopic bubbles in the solution. Those bubbles are full of energy racing around, and they attack a part from an infinite number of angles. So no matter how I orient this part in there, we're going to attack even the small blind holes, places that are hard to get to, again in a non-hazardous solution. So ultrasound's been around a long time. We've just brought it into the industrial market to make it applicable to your processes. Let's take a look at this junkyard piston. A lot of areas in here that need precision cleaning. Blind holes, stampings, even the ring lances here. We've done this in 7 minutes in a non-hazardous solution with no handwork, and we can do the same for all of our parts. We can clean this whole basket full of materials in one application. So anything from the textile industry to oil and gas to aerospace performance parts. We can cavitate right through the sidewall of a metal part, cleaning the interior surface. Let's say we have a nice blind hole in here and we can't get to it. That energy is going to transfer right through the sidewall, clean inside and come back out. So we've got this little dog bowl here to show you how we're going to clean a part inside the bowl. Watch very closely because this is going to be about a 5-second clean. This just has cutting oils and coolants on it. You can see the precision cleaning even in the threaded areas and the blind hole. Now we've removed all that contamination, we're ready to go. And to show you how green we are, I could rinse this out, take this over to Fido, and he can have lunch. We have 14 standard models ranging from tabletop models to large industrial units. And then we also custom design systems specific to your cleaning challenges. And custom equipment that can involve lift tables, automation, that can hold an aircraft engine. It's safe for your workers, it's safe for the environment. We use hot water and a variety of soaps to replace those hazardous materials like solvents and some of the nasty chemicals that we've used in the past. You know, what's nice about our equipment is we include filtration and oil skimming built into all of our larger pieces so that we extend the life of that solution. When we need to dispose of that eventually, it's water, it's dirty water. We have so many different options to deal with dirty water now that are environmentally sound, environmentally safe. I look at an ultrasound like a part-time employee. They range anywhere from $1,000 onwards, depending on the size. But when we look at the production time that we save, the reduction of labor, eliminating hazardous materials, and the most important thing is the cleaner part at the end. That's what we're all about. We're here to make you look better and make your parts look better.